Welcome everyone to the Knowledge Library, where you learn what you want to learn. In today's video, we will be talking about HTTP and how does it work. If you want to watch this video in Hindi language, head over to our Facebook page, the link is given in the description box. So let's get started. What is HTTP? HTTP is the foundation of data communication for the World Wide Web. You might have noticed it at the beginning of any URL. The full form of HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. These are sets of rules that define how messages are formatted and transmitted. It also defines what action web servers and browsers should take in response to various commands. Let's understand this working with the help of a diagram. When a client, that is you, types in a search query for a website, it goes to the server like Google or Yahoo, where it scans all the static pages in its index that relate to the search term and then display you the search result in the form of a search engine results page. There is a secured version of HTTP and it is called HTTPS. A similar abbreviation, HTTPS, means Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Basically, it is a secure version of HTTP. Communications between the browser and website are encrypted by transport layer security. That's all for this video, and don't forget to hit that like button. Give your valuable feedback about this video in the comment section. And you can also suggest the topic on which you would like to see a video.